Hi guys, welcome to Rusby Mobile. Today I will unboxing latest unique phone Huawei Mate 50Rs 512GB and 12 plus 2GB RAM memory. Let's go for unboxing. Purple color and black color available only in Rusby Mobile. Oh wow, it's amazing. This one is the card from Huawei Post design, and this is original adapter 66 watt 2 pin, and this one headset. This charger for car USB 66 watt, and this one double USB original charger cables, and this one is the original leader cover, you can see. And inside the box we have SIM eject pin and some information paper. Let's go for the phone. Wow, Siri blue, but inside the box is purple color. So amazing. This is the front side, the front glass is edge. Let's go for on. This phone only by Mr. Michael, 18,500 dirham, is never available. Only available in Rusby Mobile. If anybody needs this phone, contact me and my WhatsApp. Our address and contact number available in description. The software is Hormone OS. Oh, this one for activation. Let's go for activation the phone. English. Select our language, and this one you can select country region. Escape needed network. For the activation right now needed Wi-Fi password. After we will go to next. Activation need a few minutes. Escape next. Maybe later. Finish. Oh, you can see the names also in the same design. This one is the setting. Let's go. Will show me some about Porsche design Huawei Mate50Rs, Harmony OS and 3, 12GB RAM memory, 512GB storage, and this one is the camera resolution, you can see. Let's go for the camera. Wow. This is the front camera, and the back cameras have a lot of zooming. You will see in the zooming. This is the button at night. Sorry, we'll go for this. 100x have camera zooming, 100x, and this is the remote control system available in this one. The back cover is shining classic. This one for remote control, and that one is SIM eject pin and Type-C charger. Thank you for the watching video. For the next video, see you soon. Bye bye.